They're throwing stuff out the back,
There's a locked room here, locked room.
Someone going out the back!
Stay there! Get on the back! Get on the back! Give me your hands! Give me your hands! Put your hands behind your back!
I'm gonna fight all, don't do drugs, huh? I'm some drugs, I don't know. See?
Yeah.
Got a bag that they thrown out the back window.
Yeah, full of drugs.
You got your stuff coming out the window.
What stuff? I don't know what you're on about.
Stuff you throw out the window.
Stuff people see this.
Officers have seen it.
Never got the window.
So it's 8/1100 hours. I'm arresting you in suspicion with possession with intent to supply. Class A, you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence. If you do not mention when questioned something which you later lie in court, anything you do say may be given evidence. Do you understand?